welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for watching my video. Please consider subscribing to the channel. I would love to have you a part of the channel. Also, click the post notification bell. That way you are notified every time I upload a video. Current subscribers, welcome back. If you've seen my face before, welcome back. So today I'm just going to make this chicken dish on top of the stove. I've already cleaned my chicken. For some of y'all that kind of be being trolling or whatever, I'm just gonna put a little bit of olive oil on top of it, so my seasoning will kind of stick to the meat. I cut up a medium onion. So the seasonings that I'm about to use, this is some Kinder's all-purpose meat and veggie. This is the one that y'all always see me using. It's a salt, pepper, and garlic. And then this is just a chicken seasoning. So these are the seasonings that I'm going to use. That is some scalloped potatoes that I have in the oven that you hear beeping. Okay, so I'm gonna do the other side just a second. Okay, so as you can see, I already seasoned the other side. So now let me try to heat up my pan. Normally I would do it with a butter, but this is a garlic spread that I'm trying to get out of my fridge. So, oops. I'll see if that's enough. If that's enough. Okay. Okay. So I will save that because I'm going to put some water to get that rest of that seasoning out. So I'm gonna let this cook on this side probably for about 5 minutes or so, and then I'll let you all see when I flip it. Be back. So let's see. So I'm just flipping it over. Okay. Flipping it over. And then I'm going to let it cook some more. So I'm going to let it cook some more, and then I'll be back. I'm going to add some onions and stuff shortly, but I'll be right back. Okay, so I took the chicken out of the skillet. Now I'm just going to saute the onions a bit. Um, so I have some more onions I'm going to add to it. I just need to break them apart, and then I will show you once they're actually like sauteed. Okay, I'm back. So I'm gonna take these onions out and then rinse out my plate or my pan, and then so I can kind of re-add them to do away with a little bit of the oil. So let me I'm gonna get the rest of the onions out, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm back. So I cleaned out my skillet. I put the chicken back in there. Now this is just some cream of chicken soup that I added a can of water to. Now I'm just gonna let this cook and simmer. And then I'm gonna put a lid on it, and then I'm gonna let it cook probably for about a half an hour. So I will be back. Okay, guys, I'm back. So, I'm just going to put this in here. I will taste it on camera for you guys. One second. I'm making sure I don't drop it. Okay. Okay. So yeah, this is how it came out. So let me see if I can get a fork. Let me get a fork. So, one moment. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. So, I'm going to taste the chicken on camera. But I just went ahead and made my plate. So, let's see. It is still warm. This is really good, you guys. When I get more subscribers and I'm cooking, I will start going live. But right now, I only have a little bit over 321 subscribers, and I don't think too many people would actually come on the live. So I'll just continue to upload videos right now. But so this will be uploaded in real time, like always, tomorrow. I do hope you all enjoy the video. Also, these beans, I did not record it. Maybe next time I will. I do usually cook my beans in a crock pot. And I put turkey tails in them. If you're from the South, I'm pretty sure you know what turkey tails are. If you never heard of them, look into it. They are delicious, and it's turkey. So it's a little bit healthier than pork. But I'm going to go ahead and eat supper. I hope you do enjoy the video. Leave your girl a comment, leave me a like, subscribe to the channel, and until the next video, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.